how to fix the sign in error on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the sign in error on Spotify. So now without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So before anything, make sure that you have stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, or you can also restart your router if you are on Wi-Fi. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update the Spotify app. So here simply head over to the Play Store and search for Spotify app. And here if you found the update button in the app, you can just tap on it to update the app, because update can often solve the issue with the glitches and bugs. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check app permissions. So here, if you're still having trouble, the problem might be with the app permissions. So just tap and hold on the app icon, and from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you are in the app settings, just scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here, make sure that you have enabled or allowed all the permissions within the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear cache. So once you're done with that and it still doesn't solve the problem, you can just go back to the app settings, and here at the bottom right corner you can see the option labeled as clear data. So just tap on it, and from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache. And here, once you do that, it might solve your problem. And with that, moving forward to the final step, that is to reinstall the app. So after doing all these steps, if it still doesn't solve your problem, you can simply uninstall the app, and after that you can simply reinstall it. And with that, it will help you to solve your hidden glitches. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Spotify sign in error easily and quickly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.